Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to pause your YouTube TV membership. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to come on tv.youtube.com and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and you need to go in your settings. Now, once you are in your settings, you will be by default on this membership tab. So right next to the basic plan, you will have to click on the manage option, and after clicking on the manage option, you will be redirected on this type of page. Now over here, you just have to simply use this slider to choose how many weeks you would like to pause your membership. So this is the slider that you can use, and right next to it you need to simply click on the pause button, and this way you will be able to pause your YouTube TV membership. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.